I've got the Powerbeats Pro tools, and I'll be showing you how to enable or disable automatic ear detection. So this is a feature that automatically detects when you're wearing your earbuds so that it gets connected, and when you're playing music and you take one earbud off, it pauses the music for you. When you put it back on, it starts playing again, and a few other things. So that's all caused by automatic ear detection. So to enable or disable that, just make sure the earbuds are connected to your phone, whether it's iPhone or Android, and then go to the Powerbeats Pro app. So I'm just gonna go here to settings because I'm using an iPhone. For Android users, that's going to be a dedicated Beats app. So I'm just gonna tap on that, and then you want to go to the Powerbeats Pro app and scroll down, and you should see automatic ear detection. Currently it's enabled by default, so you can disable it from here, and if you want to enable it, you enable it from here. It's literally that simple. Disabled, enabled. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.